About today, Richard.
Richard, stop there please. We're requiring you to stop. We've got a lawful reason, otherwise we're going to have to take hold of you.
You haven't got a lawful reason to stop me. I've
We do.
committed no crime.
Well, you have, contrary to the regulations.
That's a
So can
regulation.
you
That's
just
not
stop so we can
criminal
talk to you,
law, is
please?
it?
Thank you, Richard.
Okay.
Thank you, Richard.
We'll make this quick. You are going to be reported for breaching regulations, okay? Because of what we've seen today, the fact that you're out and about when you have no reasonable excuse taking part in a demonstration in a group more than 2, okay?
I don't consent.
That's fine. You'll be on your way shortly. What's your full name, please?
No, don't give me my details either. And I know where that leads. Let's get on with it then.
You want to be arrested here, Richard?
I'm not giving you my details. I stand under no authority except the authority of common law.
But you do understand.
Please look, guys, I'm being unlawfully arrested.
But
For
you haven't
no
been
reason at
arrested
all.
yet. I'm just requiring you to give me your name and address so you can be
know my
reported
name
for
and
the
address
offence.
already,
I
because
do
you
not.
know all
I
of
do
our
not.
names and
That's it.
addresses.
I do not.
Why do you all keep
confirm it
calling?
to make it easier, Richard?
Why would I do that? Because I understand how you play tricks with your legalese, and I'm not going to
No,
stand
no.
under your
What I said
authority
is,
at all
if you
under any
provide me
circumstances.
with your name and your address, you will be reported for the offence for which I've told you. Otherwise, we are going to have to arrest you, and it's just silly, isn't it? So, what is your full name, please?
I do not consent to answer any of your questions. I am a living, breathing being, and I stand under the authority of common law and universal law only.
Okay. So you're not gonna give me.
Let me text my mum to tell her I've been arrested.
We haven't yet, Richard.
You're about to.
Why don't you give me your name and address so you can be reported?
Because you're not reporting me for something you can't report me for. I've
We
committed no
we
offence.
can,
This is legislation.
and you can be arrested.
Listen, guys, you've been sitting there weeks in, weeks out. Come on. Do you think we're stupid people? Do you think we're tin hat conspiracy theorists? Do you really think we're uneducated mirrors? Do you think we want to fight with you? No, we don't.
You're doing it
We want
now.
you to
You're
do the
getting
research.
irate.
We want you to learn. That's because it's so frustrating. Here
Yes,
you
it
are,
is frustrating,
now
isn't it?
infringing on my freedom, and for what? And for what?
Well, for
Because you
the
said-
reason. Are you going to give me your details so you can be reported, your name and address? Otherwise, you will be arrested, Richard.
We're trying to avoid that.
Well, I'm really trying to avoid it. I'm being so reasonable with you. If you give me your details and we can confirm them, you will be on your way.
And then where does that leave me? Liable?
You will
because
be
I've then
reported.
Consented? No. 'cause
It
I
would
don't
be-
want
it
to
would be the
consent-
same as
I
if
don't
you
want
go
to
to
consent
custody.
to anything that I have not done, and I have done nothing wrong.
Well, the allegation will be that you have.
And what was
So
the allegation exactly?
that you've breached.
Regulations,
I've
exactly.
explained it to you. Are you going to give me your details,
I think
Richard?
we know the answer to that, fella, don't we?
It's just so silly, isn't it?
No, it's called standing your ground and standing for what's right, no matter the cost to myself. I signed an oath, and I swore an oath at 17 years old to defend this country against any criminal acts, and fucking acts of terrorism from both people outside and inside this country. I have to honour that oath. For the purpose of taking control of this country. You
Okay.
know this.
Richard, pop your bag down then and put your hands
2
out in front of you,
seconds.
please.
2 seconds
We're not
first,
going to be
someone's
making any
ringing
phone
me.
calls. You're under arrest for breaching regulations, okay?
I want my property back.
You will have it. You will absolutely have it.
These and those, Richard.
Why would
They'll
he
be
be
seized as evidence.
As what evidence of what?
You're under arrest for breaching regulations. You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention when questioned something which you later rely on in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence. Your arrest is necessary to allow a prompt effective investigation, ascertain your name and address, and for the public health.
I will come for you individually after this is all done. What you're doing is against your oath.
So that's your reply to caution. You're coming after us individually after
Yes,
all
it's
this.
through the courts of law. For
Okay.
you are overstepping your authority. I will take you all to court because you are overstepping your authority.